In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent bullet points in Slack. Slack doesn't have a straightforward indentation feature like some other text editors, but don't worry, I'll guide you through a simple workaround. This method will help you create a clean and organized list, which can be particularly helpful in keeping your messages clear and easy to read. To start, compose your initial list of bullet points in Slack as you normally would. You can do this by typing an asterisk followed by a space before each item, such as asterisk, space, and then your list item. This will transform your asterisks into standard bullet points when you send the message. But to indent these bullet points, we'll use a clever combination of keyboard shortcuts and text formatting. Once you've typed out your list, locate the line where you wish to begin the indentation. Move your cursor to the beginning of that line. Here comes the trick. You're going to use the Tab key on your keyboard. Unfortunately, pressing the Tab key alone won't indent the line in Slack's chat window. Instead, hold down your Shift key and then press Enter. This action will create a new line directly below your current bullet point, essentially acting as a blank space. Next, to genuinely create the effect of indentation that we want, you can now type a few spaces manually. Typically, about 4 to 5 spaces should suffice for a clear visual indent. If this doesn't look quite right, feel free to adjust the number of spaces according to your preference. This manually spaced line acts as the indent and helps differentiate your nested ideas or subpoints effectively. Once you've added in these spaces, continue writing your subpoint on that same line. Interestingly, you can even choose to add another asterisk and space after a few of these manual spaces if you want the indented item to also appear as a bullet point. This is purely a stylistic choice, depending on whether you want it to appear as part of your list or just an expandable note. Finally, when you've finished arranging and formatting your list, it's a good idea to review it before sending. Make sure the manual spaces have correctly aligned with the other bullet points and that the overall hierarchy makes sense. This way, when viewed by others, your message maintains a neat and professional appearance. And there you have it. By using this indentation technique, your Slack messages will not only be more visually appealing, but also clearer and more effective for communication. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with this method to find what looks best for your needs. Happy Slacking!